A ver. Saiatuko naiz berriro. Tipitapa, korrika. Tipitapa, korrika. Listo, badoa. Epa lagunok ongi etorri laste txapelen. Kanalera ongi etorri Warhammer enetara, Kerilian kanpora. Pongo gara bide zurekin. Horrela helburua betetzea ez gain, komunitate osoaren helburua. Helburua lortzea aparte, pertsoniak ere apur bat nibele igotzen ditugun eta bar. Gainera gero goien agertuko den zenbakietan. Hau da, Community Challenge. Horri heltzen bada zenbaki batzuetara, gero gongo da bonifikazioa esperientzia lortzeko garaian. Beraz hori oso ona izango da. Esperientzia biderriro izateko eta bar jokatzen duzu bakoitzean. Beraz, nibele igotzeko eta bar oso mesedegarri izango den gauza bat da, eta nik hemen nire laguntzen bateko aukera daukat.
Most of us don't have an eternity to spend dragging their heels, you know?
Why does our elf count her kill?
I've no idea. We all have our quirks.
Thanks to our efforts, the locale seething with Northlanders who want to find our merry little hidey hole and murder us all in our beds. Yes, it's alarming, but it's also an opportunity. The search has left the camp at Ussingfeld Marsh lightly defended, enough for us to turn the tables on our blood friends. I doubt you'll find their champion in his bed, but I'm sure you'll
Jolasten
manage
dugun
to
guztien
murder him.
artean arazorik gabe, pero bentsat hori pentsatu nahiko nuke. Eta horrela gutxien erabiltzen dituan pertsonaiak kasu honetan Siena eta aurrean dugun Victor Salpisle dena delako den hori nivel izo galditu.
And the pack sworn haven't even started caterwauling. Let's go.
Dropped him where he stood. A chaos warrior. They'll burn like the rest.
The high and mighty elf is kicking me! Can't shoot straight! Or can she?
Ha! Like a broken toy!
Gaina berdin da, a partir de hasi edo galdu. Saldura da, alik eta etxai gehienen akabatu. Eta salde horretatik berdin zaigu.
A madman's hovel. But was he cast out, or did he leave for his own reasons?
We've a fight at our hands now! The time is young, our existence!
Ese es el reto, me deja tomar eso.
Ruben's like a steam tank when roused, isn't he?
Vale. Berela txikitu gaituzte. A ber, kaosaren gerlariak dira hemen arazo nagusiak aso hauet. Besteak batira. Baina asko direnez ere, bere lana ere ongi nahi.
What drives the Rotbloods to seek life in the swamp, I wonder?
Healing draft here.
We need to pick a path and stay together.
Is that a potion? A potion stash?
There is no escape.
Rest is for later. Flames up ahead.
This is a miserable swamp and no mistake.
You call this a swamp?
Ahí va, no, verdad. A ver. Para ni bizitza txarren artean gaur esango dute. Bueno, izatez... Bi golperekin hiltzeko aukera esan dezaken. Ba hori, golpe bat eta pikuta no.
At last, the Gloomier's dead.
Zeratik mano kontuaren eta hori nahiko txartan atatu. Eta horregatik ez dut erabiltzen hainbeste Siena. Ez estandegin aldu delako, baizik eta... No izango nuke hau. Niña egiteko garaian oso indertu ez delako. Egia da, pertsone bat pentsako defentzia. Adibidez, Ruben, Hotza, tanke moduan oso ondo biltzen dira. Eta pintura mix bat. Azken finean ere zailtasun moduan ere hartu hartako kontuan. Bonifikazio horiek zenbait niveletan erotzen. Baina, zenbatetan nivel
Be ready.
edo
Chaos
jokoaren
Warriors near.
zintasun handiagoa orduan eta
Why do the
Yeah,
rock
well,
lads
actually.
love this swamp so?
In my experience, scunners and even you mayflies will worship
bai, gara
anything,
guzti batek jomarra.
even a
Esan
patch
edo,
of filthy
jokoa
water.
zenbat eta
Not
zeiagoa,
all of
etxai
us.
gehiago
Oh,
heltzen
please.
dira, eta orduan
You call
helburu
upon your past
horretara
wizards as
heltzeko
your
aukera gehiago.
touchstone. Wizards you know nothing about save their name. Have a care! That's a Chaos Warrior! Back to the soil, Chaos Warrior!
I'm losing blood.
I decree it.
A Dr. Gunner! Are you ready, mayflies? Off me with it! I feel the winds writhing, light stormers. Healer's draft right here. Light leech lurking in mayflies.
Oh, on it goes.
Seek.
Leech Sasana! Leech Witch disposed of!
A ver. Vale, kontruz. Eremise guztiak ez dira dira. Partia guztiak ez berdinak dira. Bide neinua.
The wind will die with its master.
Vale, guazen gora.
There's so many of them! That sounds like a
Lost beyond words.
You're a bit pale for the moon.
Listen! Leech! Leech down! Please, Sigma!
Death comes easily to you, Dogfight.
No, not yet.
You look half dead, Aurelius.
Oh, a fat-ass light stormer!
Here, ammunition.
Now, be more careful next time, Elf.
Oh, let this potion
Ani
work.
mun seri esaten dut.
Light leech stunner.
Vale, guztiok batera beto. Esango nuke hortik ez dela.
Hey, you gone blind, Elf? A witch's tree, hung with flesh. I will have justice for this! What's that, you mate? We'll get through this. Fall back! I smite your heathen soul!
Eta kontu zaize horrekin, nina asko egiten dugu.
It's impossible to decipher. She decides to shoot me now?
Hook up. Kill it. No sorrow for a dead Packmaster.
I am your foe, witch. Not yet.
Leave a fire out
Caca.
The wizard.
Saiatu naiz apur bat atzetik joaten.
Ha!
Eta
We'll
etxe
use their
batzuk
own
hor
battering
baditu.
ram. White Stormers near, mayflies. Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near. They come like a tide! Look at that armored brute! We're blazing dense.
The power of Sigma compels honor is all.
Vale. Hor, ni erroi izan da uneko une.
Lightstormer, end his
Bueno,
chance.
zehatzen gara liketa.
We cannot fight the storm.
Take them down!
Think you're clever, do you?
Ha! Strangler, strangles no more.
I die. Return me to the soil.
Eyes open, don't let that
No,
lightstormer take us by
yeah.
surprise. Be careful!
Just that approaching.
Hor dago potoloa. Lorentzen denean, edo hastia.
Not bad, one eye. You must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily is their blessing. Fathom, but I am on your side, help!
Hor dago arriba, egite.
Awaken, pagan judgment, heretical man! Leaving it wide to my position.
Píllate ahí hortik. Agian, apurratzen datu bat. Iraten
Yes,
Bye.
have a good look. I'm sure you've nothing better to do.
lehenengo zuntzitu zeak eta gero askatu. Nada, zuen.
What's your aim, Elf? I need more ammunition.
Oh, vale. También gabe al día tu ni
Pressing in.
Hard to fathom, but I am on your body and soul. By Sigma, forever, and forever!
felt better.
Life is fleeting!
I am new friends. Meet new creatures, little one.
A ver. Oye, ni de laguntza.
Ammunition!
Nire aliatua suntuza egin zidera hori. Izan da oso... ezakit nola esan.
Hold on! Some of us are hurting! I drink this
vale.
with need, not desire.
Era una curva...
You are surviving.
Dora y monstruo nengo.
Southlander weaklings, face me in the arena. I'll take you all on, by myself.
Sigma provides. This is perfect. The fiend plays right into our hands.
Stop teasing me, Corellian!
Do you bow down to Southlanders, brothers? Let's fight!
These boys are in, eh? Well, if we pushed our way through the old camp.
Hala, pegútala. Acaba tu hija que está abajo.
Where are they on our heads?
A shame you haven't fired for blood.
Strike them down.
Satisfaction at having laid that champion low.
There's the pot. Now, that wasn't so hard, was it?
No va a ser nada ahí. A ver. Orain bai. Un momento bat hor, what? Bueno, alguien hogeita bat garren nivelera bai. Guazen aurrera. Bueno. Torrón. Bueno. Ezer baino gehiago bada. Báculo hori. Zer moduko báculo da. Vale.
Tell you what, folk can surprise you. Had a vampire in
What?
the Red Room once.
Vampiro... Ah, vale, va ondo. Nire esateko, ba, bueno, berdin zait beste batzuekin jolastu dut eta punto. Jarretu du.
Good day. And so far, it actually is.
Hala.
Someone's not ready, and lo and behold, it's Kruber. What's your excuse this time? Another bad dream.
Ah, vale, hor.
Those bile trolls ain't natural.
Hain txikia den ez dut
Blood
ikusi.
sorcerers are using some kind of altar to churn them out, and it's up to you to disrupt the whole operation with a bloody big bang. Yes, that's right. It'll take black powder to get the job done. I know there's more than enough fireworks laying around in Dreisdunkel mine, so use what you find and put an end to this nasty business.
I can't feel my fingers. Bloody cold. Are you still complaining about the weather? Who'd even want a mutant troll anyway? Better off dead, all of them.
Bueno, no hay que embarren aquí a dos.
Down we go. Wonder what's waiting at the bottom. Follow the doorway. Meanwhile, he'll follow the tracks.
We can't leave. Not
Ahí
until
va,
they're
no
all...
va. Vamos a gastar el cigarro ya, men. Gauzak sun txitzen. Oh, alimainak. Hago charter, dices aquí,
A good destiny,
Make haste to me.
Never saw it coming.
Venga ya. Mucho va a tener que...
Ranks with tainted flame. What fire bright. Storm street. What blasphemy is this? Oh, Bloodborne, you're unstoppable. Even a witch has her uses.
Slay that storm fiend!
Hala. Pikutara.
I can't shoot without stop.
The storm king coming through. Follow! I know the way. Witch! Your aim is as crooked as your morals.
Bagian apur bat edan dudalako eta guzti hori.
For tall friends and bloody Sigmar. Yeah! Is that a potion? Stay still, wizard.
Gruber, thank you.
Cower behind your shield, Ratman.
Cover me!
Slay the fireman! Quickly! The bonfire thrower is no longer the threat.
Look at this! I've seen racking warrants with worse. Warm on me, Dory! We'll take the Kazaki dome together!
Good, good.
your elbow up. Your guard's open.
Cursed assassin!
Ya, me han dado.
Nefarious
No, vale,
gas
ahora,
rat.
sí, ya.
Over here! Gas rat dead.
Shield bearers, you'll burn safe. Here, try this.
Quick, before he calls the blade wings! Light armor down grip. Save Sigma. Somebody, you'll stand your life for me.
Acá, berriro berdiña. Sürekli nuovo. Mandago.
Carts rolling forward.
Vermin with shields incoming! The cat's out of control! Warp fire! For the bloody right! Ha! One less racketa! Another dead weapon rat! Stand clear of that hook! I killed the hook rat! Jenna, don't burn old trooper! Come on!
Vale, ya tenemos ahí. Sal de 4.
Come on then!
Right, Sigma, the hammer, and the emperor! Keep going! Here!
¿Dónde se me engañan, Juan?
We need to kill it.
initiative.
Not bad for a fellow with one eye.
Sigmar guides my flight, Master Dwarf.
Wish he'd guide mine. Or better yet, send me a nice cool flagon of ale. That's right, close. Strangler!
Ha! Strangler, strangle, no more.
Gatrat's dead. Right, how do I tie this bandage off?
The incline speeds the cart along. I am not your foe,
Vale.
The cart's rolling forwards. Keep hold of it. Shield rest. This is the correct path. Here they
Ordense. Lehenengo suntsitu horiek.
Rattling dead! Heal the more surge through, you filthy bastard! Healing throw! Oh, give the healing throw!
See? Bit of liniment and I'm good as new.
Malaya, guide my step! I think it's this way. Get in there!
supplies for our ranged weapons.
There, the strangler!
That bandmaster will trouble us no more.
Strangler's dead!
Supplies to heal our wounds here.
Down we go!
An immolated foe for every scratch, I swear!
The car found its way here without us. Give it a shove.
Behintzat troll bat badago.
Where's that gas? Fine! Learn something from me after all! You'll be
Venga ya.
Those doors hold, mates. Is it me, or is this quiet old warrior from the tunnel? Grubs up, trolls! Think about. By the hell then, Hammer! Let's roll down! Just like ready for a meeting! Get in there! It's about to you!
Che ne ho trovato un migliore il Siren punto l'año esginen el eta gaur ondero rogeita zen milio no que jauzi gara
Regenerate that, you filthy brutes! Bearing a path! The troll threat is lessened. Into the portal, and out of this cold.
Well, let's hope this works. Right, Sigmund and the hammer! I judge you all!
General Ronaldo por
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Right. Ah, vale. Behintzat beste bat beharko genuk. Vale, banoa. Ezin mapa, horren zaigo izateko.
Every ratman has one eye on moving up a rung or two, and the other on his rivals. So, you're going to Karak Nor, where Clan Fester has set up base. Sneak in, kill the warlord, and enjoy the carnage as they fight for his crown. It always works. Hopefully, the chaos will interrupt the work on the Skittergate and give us more time.
Can we really get the Skaven to turn on each other again? Not much glory in fighting, Raki. Kill the leader and we can be done with it. It's a good plan.
As long as I get to scorch them whiskers to tail, I'm a happy woman.
If the lamps are working, what else?
I'm staring straight at a potion. Left foot.
Almost precise enough for an elf. A drunk, blind elf. Aye, you've mastered a trick known to an elf child of 3 seasons.
Don't just stand there! Move!
Play, Muff!
Come out, Scrap!
Lots to do. Lots to do.
Well, clearly have some ground to cover. So, no gawking at the scenery, mayflies.
Baggy! Over there! Kill the lot! You have to parry if you want to live, Elf. Nobody put it. I'll be back.
No, not yet.
You're in a bad way, Matilda. Oh, there's a lot of them. Look, the elf dragon knows something. You're butchering more than usual. The gas rat! You call that a shield, Lucky?
Down in one.
Heads up over there! Bugger! Over country!
That roar! That drunken dwarf! Is it too much to ask from
Darling.
Let's drink this!
The shadow takes
Creo que si se le quita, ¿verdad? Eso es tan mágico.
Mind straight, mayfly.
The name's Kruber, thank you. Ha! Wasted effort. I mean to the elf, not the rational death.
shield vermin among them.
down.
The elves, Horizon.
A ver.
Darlings, where are you?
Paul's gift, a healing draught.
Healing draft.
Down it is.
Oh, let this potion work.
I spend my blood willingly. Full of Ostland.
Lily of more plague vermin.
At last, ammunition.
Lucky hits. No, of course they don't eat hell. Idiots.
Someone aid the elf.
That assassin will trouble us no longer. Vermin, gather.
Attack the
It
rattlers
is
from the
close.
flank.
Vale, es Harrier.
Ratlings are problem no more.
Sienna, watch your flames. Ammunition pouch is
vale.
empty.
El de sango.
The water wheels. Look for some way to align them. Poison! Poison rat's dead. Hear that, mates? It's a gun rat. Reckon I'm done for.
Hold together, Marcus.
Kneel before Sarge Kruger, you filthy bastards! Yeah, that bloody earth!
Marcus, I'm not impressed by scars.
Oh, my God!
We're coming, Kruber!
Caca. Joder. Aquí, ahí. Guazen gora. A ver. Vale.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Vale. Ni barrura joango naiz. Baron B. Nor gehiago.
Do you not think you should work to control your fire lust, Sienna?
Whatever for? We're two halves of the same coin, isn't I?
Aye, but obsession never ends well.
And according to you, we're all doomed anyway. So what does it matter?
Mayflies, deaf to all except their own egos.
Time's arrived to shut that bloody Skittergate down for good. Rask nicks off whipping his horde into a frenzy, and your hard work has left them short on guards. I know you won't like the sound of this, but to truly destroy it, you are gonna have to use the bloody thing and get your asses to Norska. Once there, we have a plan, thanks to Alicia's magical espionage. So calm down and listen good.
Ez da zaila, baina azkenengoa. Hori, azkenengo batalla, hemen garrantzitsua dena da. Suposatzen dut delan jokoaren azkenengo misioa. Baina partida eskarrak doazenez, apur bat aleatorio, apur bat desaleatorioak dira guztiz, baina ez dakizun olako mapateral zaizun edo ez. Badoa nahiko geldo etiko lez. Ez dut ulertzen zergaitik. Oh, vale.
That was a fine shot. The Mayfly knows how to strike. Are we using the lifting platform, Mayflies?
Hortik eta...
See? A potion!
Rest is for later. Flames are for now.
Bueno, hemen etxerik ez dagoen ez. Itxaro, ez nara heldu.
When the Skaven unleash their sickness on the world, the weave always suffers.
Black Rat!
Aye, killing the rat warlords in their ranks good and proper. Good plan.
Healing drop here! Gas rat incoming!
Help, is this the time, really?
Failed, Jasper. Death is too good for you.
That backbone
Lagartu Sara. Edo ikusi.
Sigma provides. Gas rat! I spent my blood willingly!
Caga. Bueno, si nada que me ha apagado... Bueno, si nada que me va a correr. O son dos veces maldad.
A Globadier is near. Come to me! At once! Imbibing a potion.
Ikusi nuelako nire eta. Azkenan ditut ez.
There it is, the Skitter Gate. Supplies for our ranged weapons. Supplies to heal our wounds here.
That's the lever. Step to it, mates.
Shield vermin, incoming!
¿Dónde gatos?
Aye, it's waking up. Good sign or no?
This is quite different from the usual clamor of the rat men, I'd say. Rasknit's absence
Además
adds
en
to the
Norskara.
calm.
Lady, protect me. Prevent this foul sorcery from sprouting anything even slightly resembling a tentacle.
Where? Rawlings, where are you?
Yeah, that bloody earth.
You wounded, Krubab? Sigma calls you to battle, Krubab.
A ver. Cru.
Up here, no door ring.
Bueno, a ver, no se hubiera ganado.
Healer's draft. No sense wasting it.
Ordones.
It's up here. No, Mayflies, we can't fight an army that size head on. We should use the path Lunar mentioned.
Yeah.
Medicine here, should anyone care.
Si vengo sonando no va.
That's our way in, mates.
Ah, praise the comet. Ammunition.
Don't let me die with my boots on.
Heal, Roma. You're
a body and soul.
Vale, guztiak batea lortu esan dugu.
That whip straight from the post here.
A most necessary potion.
That's a samurai.
The assassin meets a deserving death. That stings. Ammunition.
One-Eye, you must truly hate them.
Again, bye.
Oh! Why does everything hurt?
Ah.
Here's a healing draft. Chaos Warrior, to my side! Won't do bad.
Oh, you mess! You earn much money as a professional soldier.
I'm not a bombardier.
Bombardier!
Oh, crap. Next. That's my shadow. Only good, Cobra. A dead one.
Slay it quickly.
Hey!
I can't take another like that. I sense a Glubadier. No more Kruber. That's just how it is.
Venga ya. Disfrútala. Ez da zuzai, azkenengo zatia bakarrik, ja, ikusi zugertu duen. Nazio kofrea. Beste joan dira oso ondo. Eskaben gutxiago ditugu.
Bit of rain today.
Nera nola joaten garen orain. Espero dut eskirgate berriro, ez?
A large chunk of Clan Fester are currently camped down in the ruins of Karak Knoll. Now, Skaven are paranoid little buggers, so you're going to sneak in, kill their warlord, and watch the chaos unfold. I'd love a full-scale civil war, but at the very least, I think we'll delay the work on the Skittergate. Oh, don't look at me like that. You know you'll enjoy it once you're there.
What's an Alfredo?
He wants so sneaky this time. Where's the fun in that? Oh, my hat's off to Lona for this one. How in Toll's name did he know where this warlord lurks? Onward, Story! Onward! But keep it down, eh? This way!
Flame from darkness, at the simplest of triggers. It has a rough charm. Never have I seen such a display.
Where's that poison rat? Find it! Kill it! Don't give up! Oh, Monday! Nothing can hit you, Elf. Let me help you. Over there! Where bloody you the right find? Oh,
A foul rattling! Incoming pack!
sealed up! One pillar of the Empire reports for duty.
I'll just hang in, shall I?
I walk with Sigma!
Rattling gun! The rattling speak is last.
Dead, not alive!
Come, finish me if you dare.
I've seldom seen an elf die.
I am lost beyond words.
Figútara.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh? Shame about Usingen. The town's ruined, but there's still a job to do there. The Rockbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all their ill-gotten gains. It's filled with foodstuffs and supplies, and I want you to blow it up. They won't like that, I'll tell you. Use the black powder from a nearby mining emporium, but hurry up. There's a fat bunch of them marching on Usingen to claim their loot.
Let's find that manor, Dory. And if a few next present themselves for chopping, so much the better.
This won't be easy. Usingen's a chaos stronghold now. They'll have the supplies well guarded.
Time to pay for what you've stolen, Kazaki Doom.
Ia norbait gehiago sartzen den, gizakia dena behintzat.
Have no delusions. We will encounter far worse before we're done.
You think a
Ah,
pain
vale.
will stop
Gol
me?
batekin ia bizitza guztia galdu dugu.
A Scunner warrior comes for us. Stand ready.
Some potion, lend me vigor.
I feel the winds writhing. Blightstormer.
Sigma, blessed shot!
You merely share it. That's her! Insolence! See that mass of flesh and horror? Chaos form!
I spend my blood willingly!
I walk.
Double the discipline.
Cut to ribbons!
It's the only language Spawn understands. That's gibberish.
You speak well with me.
Strung from the gatehouse like sacks of meat.
Righteousness! Do not fail me now!
Mind your wounds, sir. You ain't worth much dead.
This shall redouble my zeal.
He's blood drunk! Waste no time sifting through the ashes. There's nothing there for us. This way! Onwards!
Nice! He's not rousing from that! Someone kill that crooked strangler!
Listen, assassin.
First time I've burned a granary. Suppose this is.
Not me. A tussle on the Avalanche-Stirland border. Militant halflings. Shorties don't fight well if they're hungry.
What about you, Matilda?
No, no granaries. More supply wagons.
Nobody's shooting. I'll be back. Why like it's payday? With this shot I abjure thee!
Sorcerer, he controls the wind.
Down it is. We'll get them all out, war. Right here, right now.
Feeding. Gods.
I'm surprised you can stand without it. Here, let the blood stormer. We're in for it now. Daughter's gone. So's his bloody vortex. That's a good gummy, Dory.
Ammunition for those who need such.
No range the trick.
Reach, sorcerer! Through the door. Ah, mine eyes are cheated by fumes of heresy. I feel the dark gods reach out to me.
You're barely hanging on one eye.
You all right, Izungi? I will be. Once I get my hands on the bastards that did this. Aye, Ross spoiling
No,
your
lo
days.
saludes.
Hundreds died here.
No se
Cut
lo
down
olvide.
like wheat, tortured.
Kruber, keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my beds.
But Wolfman, you don't you listen to her, Izungi, that you know how she gabbles on. Now, that's how Cousin Ockery used to do it. There, looks like they go down. Anything else can kill, I can kill even more. She's doing all right, though. War hunting. Ah, you want another, Fruity? Let's move on. No sign of the manor here. Wrong district, no doubt.
Here, we're heading down.
There's a gas tracking
I
somewhere.
said-
Holy justice!
Put her stride.
Treatment met more on the Ostland coast. Never to see any. We're off past those. Look around. Listen, Gladstone!
The weave is screaming. Kill that Blightstormer.
Gladstone, get on the ground!
Venga,
I
Rudy,
hear the
cabrón.
Pale Queen.
You could use some aid, Elf. More of them coming! Let's teach them some manners! was cold here. All right! Come on! Hell for old Grumba!
It's out at it!
Dead! He killed the hot rat! All right, sir?
Potion, here. If I die, return me to the soil.
A ver.
Here, the stairs!
Make tall for armor.
Down here!
I hear a Globadier.
Watch out! Rattling gunner! I fight on! To the last!
Just an observation, but one eye's about to perish.
That's when I laugh. And when I breathe.
Take more care, Azungi. They're no use to us dead.
Luminaire! Bring it down!
Get back! Incoming!
At last, the Globadier's dead.
Sigma! I have failed you! You're badly wounded, Grimke.
Pues no tengo guerrilla, partida arriba.
Stand ready.
Fine! You've learned something from me after all! You need your wounds binding, Trollfire. Hey! Fight!
Riley, sir.
The Warfire Thrower is no longer a threat.
That clanking brute can't fool my ears.
Rest up, Grimke. Regather your strength.
Don't let me die with my boots on.
Azungi, you need to heal.
The dwarf's fortitude shames you.
And I thought you only knew of death.
I drink this from need, not desire.
Gas rat!
Stand together! Send the buggers back! There's something in store.
Lay no hand upon the wine. 'Tis a poor time for distraction. Foul machinery is no match for Imperial steel.
Bleach.
Bring Barati! I'm a bit banged up!
Time to heal, Dwarf. Or not.
Help me! Come on! Kruva's down! Do your duty, Kruva! Rise! Come on, up! That's all! Ah, you're getting the knack of this story! Up the stairs!
The Shadow Tiger.
Keep your eyes open, Glory!
Hard to believe this is the work of men, even if they are foreigners.
I'm in trouble! I'm in trouble!
One
I.
Leave prowling!
A gas rat approaches.
Dead, not alive! There's trouble with elves. Can't hold the liquor.
Jendea sartzea hemen da apur bat tamalgarria, agian.
That wind blew straight from the false moon.
Give them hell! Top on top!
Side by side, faces together.
Don't come over that gate! Let's go on
Naiz eta partida.
Hold fire!
A ver, helburua beti partida erabiltzea, eta zenbait hilo.
For the crack, you
Necesito ese sangre de su cara.
Dusk and shadow. Me if you dare.
Well, looks like our elf isn't as eternal as we thought.
Ah, vale. Osea, botak badaude eta bi gizakiak hiltzen bagara, kasu honetan moduan, ba, dena pikutara. No, bueno. Ese no es raro. Nahiko txel ditu.
Bit of rain today.
Bueno, ez dago txarto, txelin bakarrik. Oh. Orduan, zirenarekin.
Saltspire, aren't you supposed to be the leader of this lot?
Albatrosado.
What weighs several tons, draws rat men like flies, and sounds awful? If you just answered, "Oh no, not another bloody bell," then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder. Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Helmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
The important thing, Albatros, is killing rats and enemies. Doesn't matter if I win the map or not.
Why be surprised that Skaven worship a bell?
Ah, vale.
Otherwise, well, then they need to anything.
Supposedly it was a great bell that transformed the Skaven.
Bueno, aunque
Usual drill,
directo en euskera, todo es en castellano. Lo importante ahora mismo es matar cuantos más Skavens enemigos mejor, independientemente de que si paso el mapa o no. Solamente pues por el evento que hay. Llegar a una cantidad de muertos hasta el 1 de octubre, el 31 de octubre.
Come on, this way. Who can ask? Cruel amongst a cruel kid. I can't fight much longer. destruction.
Mind that reachy, grabby one.
That Packmaster will trouble us no more.
Flame rat!
Carillion, check that otherworldly aim of yours.
Medical supplies, over here.
Much to do. Much to do.
A ver. ¡Oh!
Lovely. Feel it doing me good.
Bueno, vas a la
You see, Carillion? Nice bit of killing there. Inspiring even.
Voilà.
Fires, Kendall.
Vale, andatela.
Almost deeper than I thought.
Es una burrera.
Slay it quickly.
Chaos warriors lumbering around.
Shooting me, Carillion!
A gas rat approaches. Over there, Lumberfoots, a chaos warrior. Think that'll stop me.
Look out! Yes!
Gasrat dead.
Vale, a ver.
Death comes easily to you, Saltspire.
I bring death where death is needed. Join me in righteous slaughter.
Already with you, sir. Never matched your speed yet.
All right. 5.
He's a leech by the sound of it.
Es lo que tiene Siena, cuando llega al punto este de sobrecargarse de magia, pues explota.
I must shut for your rotten heart, Blightstormer.
Scunner leeches no more.
Bueno, va a ser una burrera, venga, usando el grito que da telepaga. Bueno, Mendigo ronda 1.
Had a shot. Here's more.
That bastard Blightstormer.
Strike them down. Chaos warriors had enough.
I can't deny that you know how to kill hell.
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Hoggers Bridge. Dozens.
Catapultim.
Hoggers. Wait. 2 noble regiments vanished without trace of Hoggers Bridge. Help! Help! Armored heretics! Fight the righteous fight!
Gero ere zuzenetan esaten dudana. Norbait ikusten banau eta zehozer esaten baiti doder bere hizkuntzan erantzungo dio. Lo que viene siendo, que Dios en mi canal, que si estoy haciendo un directo me comenta algo por el chat y le conteste el idioma que me hable.
Monks!
You'd look better, Saltfire. Stop shooting me, Carillion!
Here!
What
fire throwers! The wood fire thrower is gone!
Chaos Warrior, I need another drink.
LeSean! Armor cheating your zeal, Saltfire. Try the face.
Bloody hell, we've only gone and killed him. I know that sound.
There's this Chaos Warrior here.
Hold the line, mate.
Stab them to us! Make them pay!
Cannot hide.
Por cierto, Albato, ¿sabes? Eso hace
That's all!
I hear a leech on the prowl.
esto casualmente de las cosas.
That's a nasty wound, sir.
A ver,
Stunner leech down.
pasen ahora, Berrito.
It's up here.
All right, then. Yeah, that's bloody earth.
Heal yourself, Marcus, now!
Pasen ahora.
That rot hell might test us, Mayflies.
Chaos Warrior's dead.
Ahora.
I'll see you for that, Saltfire!
Light Singler Witch! Put it down!
Life leech is dead.
Vale, pasen ahora. Ahora.
Strangler! Strangles no more!
Shield, David!
Alimaña King Kong. A ver. Vale, no, no vas a Series.
Beware! Blood ogre!
Leave me alone! Salvation is at hand, Rubat!
You're not dead. Testimony.
Vale. Corre.
Carry.
Io Dani, un serie che sottoia.
You're bravely rude, Salzburg.
Non dirò
Side by side, both together!
We'll both save you, Ratty.
Sienna, watch your blade! All right! Come on! Kill the old Ruba!
Uff. Bueno, beste ateaz duguna, irazi galdu. Eta iazko hil. Ay. A ver. ¿Qué significa EZ? Ah. Pues vale. Okidoki.
If I'm not mistaken, Morrslieb's even larger than during the Ubersreichskrieg.
Tu de lie.
I don't want to hurry you, but we've got problems.
Kerillian, Siena, Victor. Eta Marcus. ¿Sabes? ¿Ves? Jo.
Rockblood raiding parties are cutting loose in the fields around Usingen. I don't need to tell you what that means for the poor bastards in their path. You're heading to Morgensloft, biggest farm in the area. If there are survivors, and I hope there are, you'll find them held captive there. Do what you can. Every prisoner freed is one less slave used by the enemy, and repay the dead in kind, if you follow.
Hey!
We'll save who we can, but I'm not hopeful.
Mark my words, we'll find only corpses on these farms, mayflies.
Well, we're here to do what we can. So I say less prattle and more pyromancy. All right?
We need to climb the fence, mayflies.
Ah, vale.
Fanatics! Plague monks! Fearless shot! Down and out! Such slaughter! If only you were of the faithful, Gotcha! Sigmar is our shield and our flaming sword!
A ver. Theory.
There's your farm, mayflies.
Yeah.
I hear the gas rat. Gas rat's dead. A chaos warrior, just what we needed. Ha! Dead assassin. But not
Stand clear of that
quite.
hook! That's better. Chaos warrior.
Rot-hell sucking dirt.
See that bomb?
Savage!
Darlings, hurry along. We might not have much time.
If you don't mind me saying so, Sienna, you're taking this all rather personally.
Vale, va a ser una burrera.
That's a chaos warrior. A hardier proposition than most.
Double the discipline!
Nicely done, Marcus. Makes it look easy.
It's nothing, Sienna. Bit of training, reflexes.
And the powerful fear is getting another scar.
Bloated bloody blightstormer! Kill its creator! This is where we stand as dying fools!
We've a leech by the sound of it.
Quick! Before he calls the plague witch! Light stealer witch! Put it down! Sorcerer's winds cannot howl without their master! Come, potion, lend me vigor.
Chaos Warrior, maybe don't fight it alone.
Pues vale.
Soon have you fit, Gorkson.
Easy, son. Holy justice! I give you that. Your capacity for slaughter makes you a useful ally. I walk with Sigmar! Here. That calls the vortex.
That's a stunner.
I killed the hook rat!
The Light Stormers worm foods. With the wind.
Weapons up! Fight like it's payday!
Vale.
I've spotted ammunition!
What in Dracula's name is in this bottle?
Sienna.
With a leech. Lightly to death.
A ver, Sienna.
Ah, an auction.
Sienna.
The promise of apple brandy and wheat cake.
Sienna.
I do this as I need to. Hey, I'm ready to unleash fury. Kill them and spare this.
No longer to take.
We got the leech, mates.
Vale.
Through the monster's lair! We need all the shortcuts we can find.
The gate is locked. Seek out the key.
Vale.
Where are you?
Grimoria ni Redad. Vale.
Help, is this the time, really?
No les hango nuke. Aníbal espada.
I hear a storm fiend. Sharpen up.
Fling me! Won't get hit! I know me!
Give them hell!
you'll owe me, witch hunter. Huh?
Mira, scared.
The weave calls me back.
Well, looks like our elf isn't as eternal as we thought. All right! Come on! Kill for old Grover!
Chaos Warrior Mayflies.
Ash, I hear a warp fire thrower.
Have a care! That's a Chaos Warrior.
Vale, chango iba a burlar.
Chaos Warrior's dead.
I am lost beyond words.
You could use some aid, elf.
Hit it in the face, Kruber.
Right down, Northlander.
No!
Vale. Cagada épica. F. Bueno.
Here we go, a bomb!
Okay, you have what?
Now I'm quite close.
Let's hope they've not shot the captive down.
Oversreich, Helmgart, Ussingen. Where does it say?
In blood and fire, the Empire will be reforged, as so many times before.
Nengo sendatu.
That's good.
Shield rat?
Find the prisoners, now!
Good killing, Kruber! You're a credit to your regiment.
Welcome, sir! Well done, soldier!
Flutter!
This wizard has a present for you. Light storm up.
Saucer.
Gas rat! Incoming!
There, that's right.
I'm ready for you, shield rat. That rot hell might test us, Mayflies.
That's enough, Carillion! Take that, Otto!
Lord, mighty duel! finding coal.
There's a rattling somewhere close.
Look, ammunition.
Yeah, that rattling's dead.
F, super F.
No more kills for you, assassin.
The captives are free, and our work's done.
Ah, vale. F.
Right. Think you can stop us? You're welcome to bloody try.
Make way!
Southland.
Chaos Warriors fallen! Seize the moment, boys. You have so few left.
GG.
There's so many of them.
En corrida. Run, last stop, run. GG.
The eternal dance!
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Oh. Hala. Hau izan da amaiera lagunok, hurrengoan gehiago. Hau, estazio todo, hasta el próximo.